Hey guys, it's Gabalab in the house, and today I'm going to be tasting Russian snacks with my aunt Jasmine.
What?
Hey guys, it's Gabalab in the house, and today I'm with my aunt Crystal.
Hello, and we're going to be trying Russian snacks.
So let's get started. The first thing we are going to be trying are these sweet chili peanuts.
I don't really like them. They kind of smell like regular hot peanuts.
I never tasted hot peanuts before.
Just get I think you got to taste more than one too.
This is special about them. They're not hot. It smells disgusting.
They don't taste like anything actually, but peanuts.
The next thing we're going to be trying is this Choco. What does it say?
Choco for you. And it says nougat. So
It looks like Kit Kat.
it does. I hope it tastes like a Kit Kat.
This comes from. It rips like a Kit Kat.
This tastes way better than a Kit Kat. The chocolate is way better.
Nah, I still think Kit Kat is better.
Nah, I think it tastes like a Kit Kat, but the chocolate is like richer. Kind of reminds me of Lindor truffles than a Kit Kat.
I can't tell different types of chocolate if this is white chocolate or dark chocolate. No, this is not dark chocolate.
It's
Though.
milk chocolate. You could tell it's not from America though.
Oh, wait. It fell on the chair. But yeah, it was good. I don't think it's better than the Kit Kat though. The next snack we're going to be tasting is this. I don't know how to pronounce it. You can pronounce it.
It's called Eugenia, and I don't know what that says, but I'm pretty sure that says biscuit. So it must make cookies.
Oh my god.
You know what this reminds me of?
I know what this is.
Ew.
I know what this is.
Okay, that don't smell good.
No, never mind. I tasted a cookie like this before.
Why does it smell like that?
No, I tasted a cookie that looked like this. It smells like nail polish removal. It smells like nail polish removal.
This tastes exactly how it smells.
Yeah, it does. It does taste exactly how it smells.
Nasty.
I was expecting this to taste good.
Honestly, you can't even taste the chocolate.
The next snack we're going to be tasting is this Grisky. Hello, Grisky. Looks like pretzels.
But it has a picture of peanuts on it, so I don't think they're real pretzels.
We already tasted
If that makes sense.
One. It smells like peanuts.
Let me smell. Okay, first off, they have a hole in it, so I think it's pretzels filled with peanut butter.
It is a pretzel filled with peanut butter.
You can't even taste the peanut butter though. It just needs salt.
Ew. The peanut butter fell on the table and it's hard.
Oh wait, it says salty on here. I kind of like these.
They're okay.
They taste like what's that thing called?
I mean, they're not the best.
It don't taste like a pretzel.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like pencil.
It tastes
It
like
was- It was okay. It was okay.
I don't know how to describe the taste, but it don't taste like peanut butter. But it tastes like the outside of the peanut shell. If that makes sense. It does.
The next snack we're going to be trying is this Tops.
Y'all got a team on the roof.
If you guys didn't like see my last video, there was like the same ones.
Oh yeah, this
No, this looks exactly the same, except it was like jelly. No, not jelly. Yeah,
Blueberry. It was
Yeah,
blueberry. These ones
blueberry.
are orange.
these ones are orange. This one smells better. It looks exactly the same.
Which the blueberries ones was nasty, so I'm kind of not looking for it.
But this orange.
I got one down.
I don't like that the jelly in the inside is not really jelly. It's like really hard. It tastes weird.
Look at it.
Yeah, no.
I have to say it's way better than the grape one.
It is way better, but if the inside was
Like,
like actually filled, you know what I'm talking about. Not this. This tastes
It
like
was-
a gummy.
it was okay. Yeah, it tastes like a hard gummy.
I don't like the inside. Curves though.
It says cream pita, cocoa cream pita. I'm doing it off the scissors. It smells like strawberry.
I seen this yesterday, you guys, and I've been dying to try that.
It doesn't even look like the picture. What is this? What are those?
Yeah, I'm crying.
Look at
Definitely don't look like the picture.
bruh. This is. I don't even want to eat this now. This is the whip. What is this?
I got it, man.
I don't even want to eat this anymore. Ooh,
First off,
that jelly
it
smells
smells
good.
like bread.
That jelly smells good though.
It does smell like bread. Yeah, it's bread.
What is that like cream stuff?
First off,
You're the one who was excited to try it.
I don't know what mascarpone cheese or cream is. That's nasty.
It's okay. It tastes like raspberries. I'm disappointed though. I don't
Did you
want to eat
taste
this
the-
anymore.
Did you taste the cream on the other side? Taste it.
See?
No, that's jelly. Taste the cream.
No, that's cream.
You did? Because it's only cream on one side.
No, that's cream. There's
Nasty.
cream on both sides of mine. This was supposed to. This is what we were supposed to get, and what it looks like. And this is what we got.
It tastes like bread with
Disappointment.
a little bit of jelly on it. No,
It tastes like raspberries, so it was
I wouldn't recommend it.
8 out of 10. No, 7 out of
10.
6 out of 10.
That's the worst. So next we're gonna be trying this bruschetta creamy cheese.
Show them the back.
Cut it. Cut it.
Another one. Look,
Smells good?
smells. To show them.
It really does smell like cheese.
I'm waiting. Yeah, 100. This is 100 out of 10. This is good.
You know those hard little brown things that's in the Chex Mix? That's what these taste like with cheese.
I tasted something like this before. I just forgot what it's called.
I like it.
But I like this. This is really good. No, I don't like it. I love it.
Next is this. I don't know how to say it, but it says Sarzna. 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 I don't know.
I'm open it already.
I hope
It
it's not
is
caramel. 'Cause I don't like
brown.
it. Tastes smells like chocolate.
Smells like dark chocolate.
It does. I don't really like dark chocolate. Ew.
I'm scared. Wait, what is this?
Ew. Okay, I know exactly what this looks like. I didn't try it though. This
I'm about to grow up.
tastes like the assorted chocolate with the raspberry in the middle.
The next thing we're trying is this. Say that.
Choco Schmookie.
Classic
Choco Crunchy.
crunchy. Ow.
Be careful.
They look like
Kind of smells like chocolate covered raisins right now.
chocolate. They look like chocolate beans.
Actually, this kind of looks like a cashew.
Nah, it's a little too thick. Mmm.
These taste like Crunch, the Candy Crunch, but not as crunchy, if that makes sense. You
No.
know,
It tastes like the Candy Crunch, but a little bit off.
but not as hard though. You know
Yeah.
how it's hard.
Not as hard.
Like if you stuffed all the crunchy stuff into the inside of this, that soft crunchiness, that's what it is.
That was good.
Mm.
That was good. Poopa.
This one has coffee on the front of it, so I hope it's not chocolate that tastes like coffee. Smells nasty, but it looks like a Three Musketeer.
Same. But it's not like, it's hard.
Oh yeah, it is hard. Smells nasty, really nasty though. I'm scared.
That tastes like coffee. You know who would like this? My mom.
Okay.
My mom would probably like this.
Why would you save that for last?
How do you know
This tastes like coffee dipped in chocolate.
It tastes like plain old coffee. I don't taste nothing.
It tastes like really strong coffee.
Yeah, it tastes
Really
like
strong coffee. I don't drink coffee. Nah, not my type of
That was
food.
no.
Nope. So our last snack is Dorina. And it looks really good, and it says that it has hazelnut and honey.
Hazelnut and hazelnut. I like
Hazelnut
hazelnut. Give me that. Oh, bruh, it's supposed to be not like. I want to smell it. Give me a piece.
Break me off a piece before you put it next to your nose.
Tastes like the other. It smells like the other candy.
So cute.
It's really hard to bite. It's not hard, but it's soft, but it's not hard, but it's like really hard to chew and everything.
It tastes like
It's good.
Hershey with almonds, because you don't even taste the honey.
Yeah, you can taste any honey. Takes a while to chew and everything. Good.
I think I would say this for last. It's the best. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe
You
to
can't,
this channel.
They can't comment though because
Why?
they turned the comment off for people that are young. Look at this one, Julie. Also, guys, so TikTok is a big thing right now, and I'm gonna tell you guys my TikTok name, Gabalab. Okay, so the G is lowercase G. Gabalab _in_the_house. Okay, that's my TikTok.
Go at her. I don't have TikTok, so.
Just go follow me.
Oh, whatever.
I only have 23 followers. But yeah, guys, have a great day. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe right here. If you didn't see my last video, it's right here. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.